or it can lessen the inflammation. So if you have rheumatoid arthritis, go to the Facebook groups, Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines, check out some of the foods that I put there, frequently ask questions about rheumatoid arthritis kasi it is a type of arthritis na nasisira yung joint dahil akala ng katawan foreign body po siya. So over time, nasisira siya. Hindi siya wear and tear type of arthritis. Are there times na dalawa yung arthritis ng patients? Pwede po. Meron tayong patients with osteo and rheumatoid arthritis, with osteo and gouty arthritis. So if you have a family history, pag may relatives po kayo na merong gout or merong osteo, pwedeng magkasabay yung dalawa. Sobrang sakit ng tuhod po. And sometimes we do injections to lessen the inflammation, tapos makakukuha ng injection ang daming tubig sa tuhod. We do injections for arthritis because it lessens the inflammation, it lessens the pain, and we are now offering PhilHealth po para mas makamura yung mga patients. Dati yung injection, mga 10,000 yung steroid, pero ngayon with PhilHealth, if you have PhilHealth number, na babawasan po yan and you only need to pay a few thousand na like 2,000. I'm not exactly sure. But going back sa gout, sa osteoarthritis, bursitis is also a part, yung soft area sa taas ng tuhod, just above the kneecap, meron tawag na bursa or pocket. Yung pocket na yan ay pwedeng lumobo at saka magkakaroon ng fluid. Ini-inject namin tapos sinusuyo po yung tubig. Tapos nilalagyan namin ng gamot para hindi na masakit. Patients are typically walking immediately, tapos they are very happy with this procedure. So if you are listening from Visayas, Mindanao, Cebu City, let me know where you are from. Message me in the chat below. And if you have questions, meron na kasing mga questions lined up kagabi ng mga arthritis warriors. Try to click and message me in the comments. If meron po kayong mga tanong, baka pwede nating isingit po. So we also talked about osteoarthritis and yung kneecap pain, yung tuway-tuway, pain in the front of the knee. This can also be treated by physical therapy initially before we do any injections or surgery. Kneecap pain or patellofemoral pain is pain in the kneecap po, dito. Nagagasgas, may clicking, minsan yung clicking painless at first, but later sobrang sakit. That's kneecap pain. We also talked about the meniscus, which is the blue dito. Hindi yan nakikita sa X-ray yung meniscus, yung blue. It's only seen on MRI. So yung MRI is the test na makakakita sa kanya. But generally, if hindi nyo matupi yung tuhod nyo, hindi nyo mabend, tapos walang arthritis sa